Tired of Zoho Mail's cluttered default look? Change your entire appearance in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click. Just follow these 4 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. Then, from the Settings menu, select System. Now scroll down until you see the Appearance section. Go ahead and choose your preferred theme and display settings. Changes are saved automatically. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.